take out this pinwheel so that instead of going from overhand to pinwheel to underhand and then underhand to pinwheel to overhand, we're gonna go in that same place from overhand to underhand weave, and then from underhand to overhand weave, just skipping the pinwheel. So you're in underhand, and you're gonna bring the right hand underneath, turn left to overhand weave. And then when your left hand is on top, turn right to underhand weave. Yeah, and then when your right's underneath, turn back. And when your left's on top, turn back. And when your right's underneath, turn back. When your left's on top, turn back. I'll show you from the front. I'm not mirroring you because I'm doing overhand on my left. So it's overhand to underhand to overhand. This is the other one that I didn't do before. So it's the same technique where you're using the same T stance and you're going back and forth, swiveling between them, using your lower body to get around and changing from overhand to underhand to overhand. You can do the same thing. You can do in the other direction where you add the height differential. But you have to really, before you can do that, you really have to be able to just solidly go back and forth. So I would say when you can do 10 of these where you're just going back and forth like this, and you can do it comfortably where you're not hitting yourself 10 times in a row, that's when you can start adding that height differential.